We're making delicious chicken stew, easy to make, and I hope you give it a try. So as you can tell, I've added the chicken to the saucepan. I blended onion, ginger, garlic, and then habanero pepper, green bell pepper as well. I poured some on the chicken, and then I added in chicken seasoning, one shrimp cube, and salt. I then stir, make sure everything is well combined. I covered it and let it cook until the chicken was ready. So once it's ready, go ahead, preheat your oil and fry these bad boys. This is very simple. It is easy. I'll list whatever that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So fry the chicken until it is ready and then remove it from the oil. So that's what you're looking for. When done, to the same oil, I added in chopped onion, the rest of the blended veggies, and then I stir. I steam this for about 3 to 5 minutes before going in with the chopped tomatoes. So if you want, you can add in tomato paste, but I went in for only chopped tomatoes, and then I added in the stock from the chicken. So I stir it and then I let this cook for some minutes. Allow it to cook slowly until the sauce is ready. So this was halfway cooked, and then I stir it. Like, you do not want the bottom to get burnt, so from time to time check and give it a quick stir. Once it was almost ready, I added in my chopped vegetables, which is onion, yellow bell pepper, and carrots. I then added in stew seasoning and salt. So you want to check if the salt is okay before going in with salt, because I added in corned beef as well, which is totally optional, but it took it to the next level. Please try your best to add corned beef to your chicken stew, and trust me, you're going to love it. So I added some to my stew. I stir, make sure everything is well combined before going in with the fried chicken. So as you can tell, it was very simple. I did all in one pot. It was very easy, very delicious, and pairing this with rice, with cooked yam, and cooked plantain as well, you will love it. So I ate this with eba because I was feeling like eating it with eba. Lastly, I added in more onions, and you're good to you. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I know you're going to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Follow my page, and guys, just look at this. This stew was amazing. It was super delicious. Please try it and let me know the outcome in the comment section. It goes with anything at all, even pasta, spaghetti, anything. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all and stay blessed.